So I'm leaving Google to build my AI agency. So let me explain. I spent the past 3 years working at Google leading data and AI for manufacturing. But now it's time for me to move on and to build my own AI agency. I think it's the biggest opportunity today for anyone interested in actually building your own company that is now using AI. What I've discovered at Google, and actually Sam Altman is talking a lot about it, that the end of the SaaS, like the typical software solution, are getting completely disrupted because the AI technology is giving access to us, to you, to code at scale. Meaning, if you want to build something, if you want to start from scratch, if you want to create custom solution, you can. That's a huge disruption. Like 5 years ago, it was impossible. And now it's, you as a non-tech person can really create whatever you want. And that's why I decided to branch out from this dream job to really focus on an entrepreneurial journey. So we are partnering up with Ducker Carlisle, and actually we will embed our competency inside Ducker Carlisle to create a data and AI. So it's been almost a year right now that we've started our journey. We are super excited, super happy of our decision. Of course, we are missing the free lunch at Google, but it's so interesting and it's so fascinating what we can achieve with AI. So let me give you kind of like my first feedback on if you are starting this journey, here is kind of my advice at this point. The first thing is everybody is telling you, you need to find your niche. So here is the truth. It's a relationship business. Honestly, we try to focus on a niche. We said, we will stay in the manufacturing world. And actually, strangely enough, our clients are from all over. They don't really care about our industry specialty. They really care about our capabilities and what we've done. That's point number one. Point number two, it's really about, did you do it yourself? I think that's something that we tried to not do at the beginning. We wanted to sell a lot at the beginning, and we completely missed the opportunity to build internally our own tools to apply AI inside our own company. So if I have one advice before, trying to sell your AI agency, I would say just build your sales pipeline, build your invoice solution, build your legal solution using AI, and then go see other company to say, that's what we've built for us. And I think there is value for you as well. And I think for me, that was really the tipping point of very complicated and very tiring sales process to really kind of easy discussion, because now you have the capability, you have the experience. It's just a question of understanding your client better and actually implementing that for them. That was an important point. Third point, and I think this one is huge. Everybody, especially companies, they think the difficulties to build tech. Not at all. It's very easy today to build technology. I think what is very, very complex, and I think you need to be ready for that, it's actually to maintain it and to do the continuous improvement, because that's where you really get the value of AI. It's not just kind of like a 6 to 10 weeks, I'm building you an AI solution or an AI agent, and then you walk away and good luck. You can be sure that this client will be pissed because this AI solution will crash, will stay, not at, 100% accuracy level. So they keep calling you saying, I don't understand, it's not, it's doing hallucination, or it's not working, or it's crashing. And then they will perceive you as, okay, they are not reliable. They did that for 10 weeks, they walked away, and now we have a lot of problems. So really think about how do you create the relationship, the trust, so you can serve this client long term. And again, the pain point is not the building phase. Pain point is how do you keep improving the solution, and how do you collect bugs, and how you can improve bugs. If you want to start, again, the real capability and expertise and know-how that you need to build is product discovery. Because now it's super easy to create a product from scratch. The real differentiation will be, how do you do a good discovery phase? Meaning, how do you understand the business needs? Do you really understand the pain point? Do you really understand the root causes? And then how do you build a workflow or an agent really dedicated to those pain points? Because it's all about adoption. Again, it's very easy to build AI solution. It's very hard to build a solution that is really matching what the business users want, and a solution that will be adopted and used to create value. So again, I think a lot of people think that, AI consulting or AI agency are about creating AI agents. They are not. They are about understanding exactly the user needs and translating that into a technology. And if you really want to study that, I think the best school to do that, and I'm super lucky to have worked there, it's Google. I think Google really masterized this concept of like, how do you do product discovery and how do you create a user-centric technology. So I think that's really, really what will differentiate your AI agency and your AI kind of like practice. And now, last point, just to be very transparent, I think everybody online will say, start, it's easy, you can make millions building your AI agency. So here's the reality. I think, and that's something, before I've done it for myself, it was really hard for me to understand when, especially at YC, they were talking about like, I think it will take 12 months to really crafting and understanding what you want to achieve and how you want to achieve it. If you think that you will create revenue in like 3-4 months, think again. It will really take a year to really understand your clients, understand how you can create value, understand how to pivot, how to really generate value for your clients. Let's be really realistic, it will take a year. So don't expect kind of like easy win and then, like an hockey stick growth. Honestly, that's a dream. I think a lot of training are built on this dream of like easy money. That's not easy money, that's hard work. But you need to dedicate these 12 months to build tools for yourself, to really spend time with your clients, to convince them, to build relationship, to show that your technology is creating value. That's really kind of the tough part of like starting this business. It's kind of like, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So hopefully that was interesting. If you want to start this path, if you want to have conversation about, how to start your business or how to embed AI inside your organization, I'm more than happy to take the time and having a call with you to discuss that. Thank you.